Istiklal Street, originally known as Grand Rue de Péra, has been a focal point of Istanbul for centuries. During the Ottoman Empire, it served as a hub for diplomats, intellectuals, and artists. Today, remnants of its glorious past are visible through the well-preserved buildings that line the street, showcasing architectural styles ranging from neoclassical to Art Nouveau. Walking along Istiklal Street feels like stepping back in time while embracing the modern energy that courses through its veins. One of the most captivating aspects of Istiklal Street is its ability to bring together diverse cultures and influences. As you stroll through the bustling crowd, you'll encounter a mosaic of languages, fashion styles, and cuisine. The street is home to an eclectic mix of shops, from high-end boutiques to local artisans selling traditional crafts. Art galleries, theaters, and concert halls add to the street's cultural vibrancy, hosting exhibitions, performances, and live music that cater to all tastes. No exploration of Istiklal Street is complete without indulging in its culinary offerings. The street is a gastronomic paradise, offering a wide array of culinary delights that cater to every palate. From traditional Turkish kebabs to international cuisines, the street is dotted with charming restaurants, cafes, and street food stalls. Don't miss the opportunity to savor the iconic Turkish dessert, baklava, or enjoy a cup of aromatic Turkish tea in one of the historical tea houses. As the sun sets, Istiklal Street undergoes a transformation, embracing a vibrant nightlife. The street becomes a hub for entertainment seekers, offering a plethora of bars, clubs, and live music venues. From trendy rooftop bars with panoramic views to hidden underground venues hosting live jazz performances, there is something for every night out. The energy and excitement that permeate the street during the evening hours are infectious, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the city's pulsating heartbeat. Istiklal Street is more than just a thoroughfare. It is a living, breathing entity that encapsulates the essence of Istanbul. Its historical significance, cultural diversity, culinary delights, and thriving nightlife make it a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. Whether you choose to wander through its historic buildings, shop for unique souvenirs, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere, Istiklal Street promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted and longing to return. As you explore the colorful tapestry of Istiklal Street, may you uncover hidden gems, forge memorable connections, and weave your own story amidst the pulsating energy of this iconic Istanbul destination.